Here are different points on how to organize small spaces. Optimize your space. 1. Purge and declutter. Get rid of items you no longer need or use. 2. Use vertical space. Install shelves, hooks, or storage units that go up to the ceiling. 3. Choose multifunctional furniture. Select furniture that serves more than one purpose, such as a storage ottoman or a desk with built-in storage. Maximize storage. 1. Use storage containers. Label and use storage bins, baskets, or boxes to keep items organized and out of sight. 2. Invest in shelves. Add shelves or bookcases to store books, decorative items, or kitchenware. 3. Utilize hidden storage. Use hidden storage spaces, such as under-bed storage or hollowed-out books with secret compartments. Streamline your belongings. 1. Edit your belongings. Be ruthless when it comes to getting rid of items that are no longer needed or useful. 2. Categorize and group. Group similar items together, such as all cleaning supplies or all kitchen utensils. 3. Assign a home. Assign a specific place for each item, making it easier to find and put away. Create a functional layout. 1. Measure your space. Measure your space and furniture to ensure a good fit. 2. Create a flow. Arrange furniture to facilitate flow and movement. 3. Use corners wisely. Use corner shelves, baskets, or carousels to make the most of often wasted corner space. Utilize clever storage solutions. 1. Use over-the-door storage. Use over-the-door storage racks or hooks for items like jackets, bags, or cleaning supplies. 2. Invest in foldable furniture. Use foldable furniture, such as folding tables or chairs, to save space when not in use. 3. Take advantage of underutilized spaces. Use spaces under furniture, such as under bed storage or under sink storage, to store items. Maintain your space. 1. Create a maintenance routine. Set aside time each week to maintain your space and keep it organized. 2. Put things back. Make it a habit to put things back in their assigned place after use. 3. Review and adjust. Regularly review your space and adjust your organization system as needed. By following these points, you can create a functional and organized small space that meets your needs and makes the most of the space you have.